Since UModelerX is a full 3D modeling solution inside of Unity, it also gives you a ton of ways to customize the experience so it fits the way you like to work. All of these options live inside the UModeler X Preferences. To get there, just go up to the Unity menu bar and click Edit, Preferences, then select UModeler X on the left. You can also open the same menu by clicking the gear icon in the UModeler Overlay toolbar. Once inside, you'll see that the preferences are organized into several categories. Some sections control how your meshes behave when you create them. Others let you fine-tune the modeling, UV, painting, and rigging tools. And then there are some sections that handle how UModeler interacts with Unity. Things like materials, importing, exporting, and display settings. Each category lets you shape UModeler to match your workflow. For example, in the mesh-related settings, you can turn on things like Auto Unwrap or Auto Mesh Collider. So every new object you create already has those options applied. One setting I always enable is by Static by default, which automatically marks new meshes as static. It's super helpful for level design and performance. Here's a quick tip. If you want to change the default material that gets applied to every new UModeler object, check out the Materials section. That's where you can set up your own preferred starting material. There's a lot to explore here, so my recommendation is this. Whenever you're working in a specific mode like UV editing, painting, or AI generation, take a moment to take a look at the related preferences. You'll usually find a few options that make the tools feel more natural and tailored to your workflow.